Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be installing the front doors on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're just going to take these doors, line up the hinges, just like that. Come to the inside. We'll start with this door catch. We're going to slide this braided strap over this little hook, just like that. Now I'll connect the connector underneath here. Just line it up, lock it in place. Make sure those hinges are all the way down. Make sure the door looks like it's lined up pretty good. Looks good. Close the door. Take these bolts, get these started, get that one started, then I'll get the bottom one started. I'm going to take my T50 and I'll get this started. Once it's in there, then I can use my ratchet. Just be careful not to scratch the paint. Going to keep my hand between the ratchet and the door. Just snug that up. Do the same for the top one. Just snug that up. Double check the bottom one. It's good to go. We're going to do the same procedure for the other side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.